Ayurveda is having the history of 5,000 years, but we, the Chitrakuta, are having the history of 10 years. Word Chitrakuta consists of two words. One is Chitra and second one is Kuta. Chitra means art, Kuta means meat. So Chitrakuta means different art meeting at one point, that is Chitrakuta.
Hello, I'm Jhamkar and I'm from India, Hyderabad. So the first time we got to know about Chitrakoot was from one of my colleagues. So it was regarding my father who is suffering from liver cirrhosis. So he came here for Ayurvedic treatment and Panchakarma detoxification, and he is right now on regular medication with Dr. Rajesh Pairi. So I can say it worked as a miracle for him, as the disease has stabilized over a period of time. So after that, my father-in-law, mother-in-law, everyone started coming here, and now I have come because of some hormonal imbalance and IBS issues. So it's been only 7 days and I can say I feel so good, so fresh and so energetic. Even the place is so peaceful and calm that when you come here you forget half of your stress.
Namaste, I'm Dr. Anjalika Bairi. I'm RM of this Chitrakuta. Chitrakuta is unique because this is not a hospital or a clinic. This is not a resort also. This is, we treat the patient as our guest. Like we give the package with treatment and also food, accommodation. The food which is organically prepared and homemade South Indian special foods will be available here.
The food what we serve here is totally organic and it is individualized. The food is different for the different people based on their body constitution as well as based on their treatment.
We give all the Panchakarma treatments here, and mainly for rejuvenation and detoxification treatment we give here. Mainly in detoxification treatment we give like 1 week treatment or 10 days treatment we give. That is according to patient's condition and his prakriti, we plan the treatment. Along with detoxification treatment we give relaxation treatment like Shirodhara, Tailadhara and everything. And also for rejuvenation we give Shashtika Shali Pindasveda and also Patra Pindasveda, leech treatment also we give, and also Agni Karma, all treatments we usually give here. And we have 5 female therapists and 3 male therapists.
Chitrakuta is located in about 17 acres of land surrounded with the greenery, and besides this more than 1,000 acres huge forest. In Chitrakuta you can find more than 200 different species of medicinal plants. We prepare our own medicines for our own patients. We don't sell that medicine outside. Also, we have the daily yoga classes here.
We prepare more than 150 varieties of medicines here, and the medicine plants which we need for the as a raw material we grow in our farm itself, and some we purchase from the outside. And for medicine, the Panchakarma treatment which we do in our hospital, for that we need oil, ghee, etc. That we prepare here itself. And for preparing ghee and other medicines, we need milk, ghee, etc. That we prepare in our farm itself with that A2 milk.
We have our own indigenous breed Goshala. We have more than 20 different varieties of cow in our Goshala. So these all the cows are naturally grazed in our forest. We don't feed any artificial things to these cows.
ನಮ್ಮದು ಮೊದಲಿಂದು ಸಾವಯವ ತೋಟ. ಸಾವಯವದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಕೃಷಿ ಮಾಡುವವರು. ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮದೆಲ್ಲ ಭತ್ತದ ಗದ್ದೆ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಭತ್ತದ ಗದ್ದೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಕೃಷಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಭತ್ತದ ಗದ್ದೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದರೂ ಕೆಲವು ಭತ್ತವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚಿಗಾಗುವಷ್ಟು ಭತ್ತವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಹಸಿ ತರಕಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ. ಆ ಹಸಿ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಳಿತೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಪಪಾಯ ಬೆಳಿತೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ವಿಧಾನ ಏನಂದೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ದನದ ಸಗಣಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೆಳಿತೇವೆ.
We are coming from France. We are living in France. We came for a Panchakarma treatment for 3 weeks.
I am Vijaya. I came here in the Chitrakoot Ayurvedic Center for a Panchakarma treatment.
I would like to thank Chitrakoot and Dr. Rajesh Bahari for giving and teaching us the wonderful way of living life.
Word of mouth is the main source of our advertisement. More than 25 countries. The guests are coming from more than 25 countries like France, Germany, Belgium, US, England and Russian countries.